we look for them along the way. But when you try to hear, like Harsha saying, try to hear 360 degrees around you. There'll be some sounds that are closer, some that are farther away. The flanks में, body के sides में, there are white patches. Now you can see clearly.
Lifer for me.
Yes.
Wow, everyone!
Beautiful.
What a color.
How lovely is that?
Yep.
ये हर्षा लोग के साथ चलते हैं. For me, the profession of nature guiding was a total accident. I had never heard of this career. I did not know what a naturalist was. It was just by chance that I was at a talk in Bombay Natural History Society, and I just happened to sit next to somebody with who I started talking, and that person told me that there was a career as a nature guide, and that just made me so curious that even without really knowing what this was, I applied for the training with the sole intention that I want to find out what this world is all about. And it's a bug that bit me and never left me.
Payal, Nara, Shri and myself, we started Nature Guides Academy to train nature guides, naturalists, field guides. Very interestingly and it's funnily, we humans think that we are separate and nature is separate. We have totally disconnected from nature, so much so that we don't realize we are part of nature.
It could be looking at the tree, or it could be just walking on the road or on the grass with your barefoot, or touching the leaf, touching the fruit, or stone, even the mitti. We lost the touch, to be honest.
So it's very important to have people who bridge that gap of saying that, hey, listen, we are part of nature. Look around us. Look what's around. You know, there's so many little stories that we can see if one just stops and observes.
And we think one of the best way to do is to have a good nature guide where he or she really makes people fall in love with nature.
You can literally walk through a forest and see nothing. Or you can walk with a good nature guide and literally at the end of an hour be completely in love with nature.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Which is that green one?
Where is it?
Leaf bird.
Oh, here, leaf
Oh,
bird.
golden fronted leaf bird.
Golden fronted leaf bird.
Golden
Oh,
fronted.
yeah.
What
Golden fronted, look at the color, man.
Yeah.
The professional safari guide course is a 35 days long, very intensive course. And it is only and only meant for people who hope to pursue nature guiding as a career.
We have had people from all walks of life. We had people who have quit their cushy IT jobs. We have had people who studied international law and then turned to nature guiding. At the end of it, anybody who has a passion for the natural world, this is for them.
My name is Sonali. I'm from Kanha.
मेरा नाम सतीश है और मैं बांधवगढ़ से हूँ।
मेरा नाम अनुपम खरे है, मैं पन्ना से हूँ। जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था तो मुझे ज़्यादा टाइगर या लेपर्ड या बिग कैट्स के लिए ही सोचते थे, बट जो यहाँ पे माइन्यूट डिटेल्स के ऊपर फोकस किया है कि आप कुछ भी नहीं है तो आप एक वॉस्प या बी की जो लाइफ साइकिल है आप उसको वॉच करें तो वो कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है, तो वो मैंने कभी उस पर्सपेक्टिव से देखा ही नहीं इन चीज़ों को।
The course starts with literally learning how to look, listen and feel. Observation skills.
अभी अगर एक बंदर भी पेड़ पे बैठा हुआ है ना, सुबह सुबह हम देख रहे हैं, तो पता है हमें ये पता है कि ये जो बंदर है ना, ये पूरी रात यहाँ पे रेस्ट किया है और सुबह भी अभी यहीं पे है ये। तो उसके पीछे की स्टोरी भी हमें पता है और वो हम गेस्ट को बता रहे हैं।
Of course, followed by, you know, how you give information or how you answer questions, how you drive a car, how you repair a puncture. The list is endless, but it's literally about you learning to look at nature and showing people, taking people along on your journey.
However, we invite a couple of mentors outside our organization who are pretty good in their field.
We have people who come and talk about trees. We have people who come and talk about how to be curious, how to ask the right questions. We have people who will come and talk about storytelling. So it's absolutely important to get these people in.
Why we chose this place is these people who created this, they understand the value of training and the value of great nature guides, which is required for this country and to each park. This is the dream school, dream training school, we feel.
पूरे दुनिया का पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ब्लाइट रेड वॉबलर विंटर में इंडिया आ जाते थे। यहाँ जाके वो ब्रीड करते, ब्रीड करने के बाद they all come to India and Sri Lanka. And we have come up with many scholarship programs so that as much as possible people from the local community where they can't afford the course can come with the scholarship facility.
In the Indian landscape of wildlife tourism, we don't have courses like this. What it really teaches them and exposes them is to the art of guiding. Because ultimately, guides/naturalists are storytellers. So that is very important, and this course actually teaches them.
You just need one spark to light the fire. That's all we want to do. We don't want to put the fire. Just create a spark and just leave it. And it'll just take its own spark.
We hope that our guides who have done courses with us will go back as people more in tune with the rest of nature and will have the ripple effect to rebuilding our connection with nature.